Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best foldable drone. Through extensive research and testing we've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started with the video. Number 1. DJI Mini 2. Ultralight and foldable drone. The DJI Mini 2 is a great choice for anyone looking for a powerful and portable drone. With little to no assembly required, the DJI Mini 2 is ready to fly right out of the box. It comes with a few upgrades on the DJI Mini assay, including 4K video recording at 30 frames per second and a longer range and flight time. From a drone that can stay in the air for 31 minutes, you can get a lot of footage. This is especially important if you are trying to capture a specific event or get great shots of a landscape. There is no need to worry about your drone running out of battery mid-flight with the DJI Mini 2. The batteries are also very affordable, so you can keep a few extras on hand to extend your flight time even further. The range on the DJI Mini 2 has been increased to 10 kilometers, which is about 6.2 miles. This is almost doubled the range of the original DJI Mini. This gives you much more flexibility when flying your drone and opens up new possibilities for photography and videography. The camera on the DJI Mini 2 has been upgraded to a 1/2 3-inch CMOS sensor with 12 megapixels. This gives you great image quality and a 4K video at 30 frames per second. The gimbal has also been improved so that you can get smoother footage. Pros: long flight time, great range, easy to carry, good image quality. Cons: a bit more expensive than other foldable drones. Number 2. DJI Mavic Air 2 Drone Quadcopter UAV. The Mavic Air 2 from Chinese manufacturer DJI is one of the most popular foldable drones on the market. It offers a great combination of features, portability, and price. This is the start of the professional-grade drone market. The camera is one of the best you'll find on a drone in this price range. It has more features than the Mavic Mini, but it's also more expensive. The Air 2 is a great foldable drone for anyone looking to get into aerial photography or videography. For anyone looking to get into aerial photography, the Mavic Air 2 is one of the best drones you can buy. It has a flight time of 34 minutes, which is plenty of time to get some great shots. Have you ever seen a drone that can stay in the air for that long? Well, the Mavic Air 2 can. The Mavic Air 2 has a range of 18.5 km, which is the furthest any drone can fly without being registered with the FAA. That's the longest range you will ever need. The Mavic Air 2 has a top speed of 19 meters per second, which is fast enough for most people. If you want to go faster, you can always buy the Fly More combo, which includes a second battery and a high-speed charger. The Mavic Air 2 has a half CMOS sensor, which is the same size as the sensor in the Mavic 2 Pro. The camera is capable of taking 12MP photos in 4K Ultra HD video. It also has a 48MP photo mode, which allows you to take some great shots. Number 3. Holystone HS510 Foldable Drone. The Holystone HS510 is a compact, foldable drone that makes for a perfect travel accessory. It's complete with a set of flight functions that make it super easy to pilot. The camera can capture stunning aerial footage, and although the flight time is only 16 minutes, it comes with 2 batteries. The HS510 is feature-rich, including flight modes such as GPS Follow Me, Point of Interest, Draw Path, Tap Fly, Optical Flow Positioning, and Smart Return to Home. This drone is the best drone for beginners to start flying. Given the low price and compact size, the Holystone HS510 is an excellent option for anyone's first drone. This quadcopter is incredibly easy to fly and holds up well in light winds. It's capable of taking crystal clear aerial photography and can shoot 4K videos at 16 frames per second or 7K videos at 25 frames per second. The photos that can be taken with the 4K UHD camera are clear even when taken when moving, so you don't get blurry faces or items. As a result, you get 26 minutes of flying time, plenty of time to practice your flying and begin to do tricks if you'd like to. Pros: 4K camera with a 120-degree field of view. Does not require FAA registration. Includes 2 batteries. Great value for money. Cons: only single-axis gimbal stabilization. Number 4. Holystone HS720E GPS Drone. One of the best foldable drones to buy right now is the Holystone HS720E. This camera drone is equipped with a state-of-the-art GPS module for precise flight controls and to deliver a smooth flying experience. It is also one of the heaviest drones in the price range, which makes the Holystone HS720E the perfect drone for flying outdoors thanks to its durable and sturdy design. Beginners and first-timers who are looking for a foldable smart camera drone will absolutely love to have their hands on the Holystone HS720E quadcopter. This beast is packed with 23 minutes of flight time and can be flown up to 1,640 meters away. In addition to that, the Holystone HS720 can perform a number of autonomous flights, allowing you to produce professional footage. Unlike other foldable drones, the Holystone HS720 is one of the fewest drones to come equipped with a gimbal stabilizer for the camera. It's quickly getting the attention that it deserved. Notable for its flight performance, ease of flight controls, and exceptional 4K UHD camera quality. Pros: good flight time, crafted with durable material, foldable and compact design, improved 4K camera resolution quality. Cons: remote control distance could be slightly improved. Number 5, ROKO F11 Pro Foldable Drone 4K UHD Camera. ROKO has added tap fly mode to the F11 Pro, which allows you to draw the route that you would like it to adhere to on the app screen. The drone will automatically follow the drawn path that you mapped out for it. The return to home function ensures no risk of losing your drone even when it passes beyond this maximum range. If you were to run out of battery life while in flight, the app helps you retrieve it. The Quadcopter uses powerful brushless motors that help to keep it steady in windy and obstacle-ridden conditions. However, the drone camera doesn't have a gimbal stabilizer, which may cause your videos to be a little bit shaky. It also doesn't have any sensors for obstacle avoidance, as you get with the best professional drone. The F11 Pro is easy to use and comes with high-quality features that will impress both experienced drone pilots and amateur hobbyists. The Ruko F11 Pro is a compact, durable, easy-to-fly, affordable quad that shoots 4K video and offers a 30-minute flight time, not to mention that you get a wealth of advanced features that would impress even a seasoned quad pilot. Pros: tap fly mode allows for easy navigation. 30 minutes of battery life. Cons: no gimbal stabilization.
Alright guys, that's all for now. Please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.